Morning students, welcome back to biology classroom once again. I hope all of you have watched the last video. Today I will discuss respiration and photosynthesis, their basic difference and the exercise also. So look at the book. It should be noted that respiration in limbs occur during the daytime as well as at night. On the other hand, photosynthesis occur only during the daytime. Due to this, the neat gaseous exchange in the leaves of a plant is as follows. So, what is the meaning of that? Basically, respiration is takes place during the day and night, but photosynthesis is only occurred during the daytime and I mean at the presence of sunlight. During daytime, when photosynthesis occurs, oxygen is produced. The leaves use some of this oxygen for respiration and the rest oxygen diffuse out into the air. Again, during the daytime, carbon dioxide produced by the respiration is all used up in photosynthesis by leaves. Even more carbon dioxide is taken in from air. Thus, the neat gas exchange in leaves during the daytime is oxygen diffuse out and carbon dioxide diffuse in. So, what is the meaning of that? During the daytime, when photosynthesis process is going on, just oxygen gas is produced, and plant use some of this oxygen gas to maintain their respiration process, and maximum oxygen just diffuse out in the atmosphere. And in the daytime, when carbon dioxide is produced by all and used up by the green plants to make their food by photosynthesis process, that's why during the daytime oxygen just diffuse out and carbon dioxide is diffused in. Same way at night, when no photosynthesis occur and hence no oxygen is produced, oxygen from air diffuses into leaves to carry out the respiration. I mean रातों के टाइम नॉर्मली जब फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होता है तो ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस होना बंद हो जाता है, तब एटमॉस्फेयर से भी ग्रीन प्लांट ऑक्सीजन इनटेक करता है फॉर मेंटेन देयर रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस and carbon dioxide produced by green plants also. So in the daytime, oxygen gas is diffused out and carbon dioxide diffused in. At the night, oxygen is diffused in and carbon dioxide is diffused out. Here is a difference between photosynthesis and respiration. So student, you have to learn the differences. Now, exercises. But before it, test your understanding. Give one word for the following. Fine pores present on the surface of most of the leaves, that is stomata. Teeny openings present on the mature roots and wood stem of some trees, lenticels. Process responsible for synthesis of food from carbon dioxide and water, that is photosynthesis. Process which is responsible for oxidation of food into carbon dioxide, water and release of energy, respiration. Next, exercises, objective type questions. Choose the correct option. In which of the following cell organelles does photosynthesis occur? That is chloroplast. Which sugar is produced during photosynthesis? Glucose. Which of the following forms carbohydrate is broken down during respiration? Glucose. Which of the following is a byproduct of anaerobic respiration? That is ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. So here is the answer will be ethyl alcohol. Next, in which pair of cell organelle does cellular respiration takes place? That is mitochondria and cytoplasm. In plants, the lenticels are found in woody stem and mature roots. Now fill in the blanks. Gas is released during the photosynthesis. Oxygen. The green pigment called chlorophyll present the green leaves help in the absorbing energy from sunlight. The process of releasing energy from food is called respiration. Respiration is the process that involves oxidation of food to release energy. In anaerobic respiration, the microorganism like yeast break down glucose in the absence of oxygen to form ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide and release energy. Now, true false. The process of photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast. True. The sunlight provides energy required to carry out the chemical reaction involved in the preparation of food. True. Each stomatal pore is surrounded by a pair of guard cells. True. During respiration, the plants take carbon dioxide and oxygen, release oxygen. False. Energy can be produced in cell without oxygen. That is false. With increases in intensity of light, there is decrease in the rate of photosynthesis. It will be false once again. Next, subjective type questions. Answer the following question in short. Do all cells use oxygen to produce energy? Do all cells use oxygen to produce energy? Actually, in the cell organelles, basically cytoplasm or mitochondria, two cell organelles are able to produce energy because basically respiration held the two cell organelles. Define photosynthesis. All of you know the definition of photosynthesis. It is a biochemical process. It is held during the daytime, I mean at the presence of sunlight. Plant absorb water minerals, making their food, that is glucose. This process is also known as photosynthesis. Define respiration. Actually, define respiration means the respiration is releasing energy from food. So it is a biochemical process where energy is formed by the breaking down of food. Next, name to one substance which is produced in anaerobic respiration by an organism but not in aerobic respiration, that is ethyl alcohol. मतलब एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में ऐसा कोई चीज़ प्रोड्यूस होता है कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म के द्वारा जो एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में नहीं होता है, दैट इज इथाइल अल्कोहल. Out of photosynthesis and respiration in plants, which process occur at that all the time respiration and only at the daytime photosynthesis? State a function of stomata. Basically, stomata are situated in the both surface of lips and actually help to gaseous exchange and release excess water. How is glucose utilized by plants? Plants basically produce their food as a form of glucose and it converted into starch and it is stored for future uses. So here a long question. So student, you have to write the long question answer by yourself, and have a problem, just comment on my channel. So I hope all of you understood what I have discussed so for today up to this portion.